TikTok.
Because better than you want. But wish you wouldn't be with me. I'm nothing special.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley, if you don't know me. For this video, I wanted to do a little Subdued haul of everything that they just sent me. Help charities out. I'm doing to the National Children's Alliance charity. If you're watching this, please help me donate to them by using my code Riley10 at checkout when you buy from Subdued. And they gave me all these goodies to wear and a code and everything. They gave me this little card and it says, "Hi Riley, we hope you enjoy the clothes and we appreciate you deciding to help the charity you selected. Don't forget to share your code Riley10 XOXO." This is Subdued's Instagram if you don't know and my code is, well, to help with your purchase. I already kind of opened it because I was really excited to make a TikTok. First, I got this phone case that says 99% angel. Very cute. And then I got this little necklace. Very cute as well. Thank you. They gave me this little blue cardigan, which I love. I love the color baby blue. Oh my god, it looks such like a bum. It's okay. A little tank top. And I made this. I didn't make this. They gave me this as well, which is very cute. It's like Clueless movie vibes. Love. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I hope my little boobies fit. Set top, so cute. Oh my god, I love Subdued. It's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, they gave me this bathing suit. Nut. Yes. I needed a bathing suit. I literally was wearing my clothes when I went swimming in a lake the other day because I don't have a bathing suit. Yes. Boxer shorts. I have these in pants of blue plaid. Fire girl. Where's my water boy? Does anyone remember that game from Addicting Games? Fire boy and lava girl? Wait, no. Fire girl and water boy. Shark boy and lava girl? No, what's the game that one player is a fire and a water character? I don't know. But yeah. Good girl. Oh my god, it's just so cute. Good girl, little angel. Oh my god, I didn't even notice the butterfly on the back. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's really cute plucking away things. It's got little bears on it. Got a little bear on it. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Subdued. Thank you so much, Subdued. I love it all. I'm gonna make this little haul and just thank you so much, Subdued, for letting me help you guys and raise money for this charity. It's very sweet of you guys and I just love all my goodies and I'm so happy that I can help charity I picked. And yeah, this is again National Children's Alliance charity, the one I picked. This is my code. This is Subdued's Instagram. Bang, bang, bang into the room. I know you want it. Donate and buy from Subdued, and thank you so much, Subdued. I love collabing with you guys, and yeah. Now we'll get into the lookbook of this video.
Hot Wheels. Beat that. See you later, hater. Subdued. Taking a pee-pee. You know what I'm saying?
Bye.